Hi, this is Mehajabi Nyadiki. I am not a SEBI registered person. The intention of my sessions is purely to spread awareness on stock market candle strategies and should be considered only for educational purposes. Any stocks discussed should not be considered as a recommendation for buy or sell. Explanations are only for concept illustration purposes. All the trades taken by individuals are at their risk. I will not be responsible for any of your losses or profits. Thank you. Yeah, so we can get into the topic now. Fine. So, see, this concept is we will strictly stick to the sharing shorting purposes of this for the purpose of this video. Later, I can clear your doubts or anything that is sustaining to your trades. Okay.
No
Let,
problem.
let
Sure.
us start. See, what I will do, I'm just telling what I will implement. Maybe that might suit you or that might not suit you. That is, you can take your call. See, recently I have posted some trades, right? Like we should do it based on our candle logic. So this is just to show you. I have downloaded this from where is this? My Angel, this one. Uh, Only this one. Can you see? This 3-4 days, whatever I have taken trades, I have shown it here so that you will know what all the other things that are involved. Whenever you take a trade, right? So it will have that brokerages, GST, exchange service tax, turnover tax, SEBI charges, stamp duty, STT, other charges, IPFT charges. So this will all come up to a lot. Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So this and all things you need to keep in mind. Nice amounts that will this will eat. The GST brokerages, all these charges are there, right? It will eat into your budget. So actually, if it shows 1974.2 rupees, can you see this number?
Yes, ma'am.
Here only, this is what nearly 100 rupees or something they will cut. That is why I will always tell, if you see this and this, okay, the
Yes,
difference
ma'am.
is this orange one. Okay.
1050 rupees, none, ma'am.
Yeah, see, 1974, 1883. So 100 rupees they will cut for almost every trade. Okay. See, 400, 318, 900, 1900, 1698. Means 200 they have cut. Maybe a little bit profit more. The even cuttings also will be more. So just be careful because that all depends on the difference between your sale value and buy value. Is this clear?
Right, ma'am.
I think that depends on quantity also we purchase.
Yes, yes. See, quantity is, yeah, quantity, the sell value and buy value, it may come difference with the quantity only, right? So, yeah. So this is all about something which you need to know before doing any shorting. So
So
that,
Angel one, this brokerage is fixed, ma'am. Like for 20 buy
yes, yes,
and 20 sell.
correct. Means for buy is 20 rupees, for sell it is 20 rupees. So total it will come for brokerage 40 rupees if you are doing shorting for Angel.
Okay. I think if it's a lesser quantity, it will be
No,
some percentage,
whatever
right?
quantity it is, means that much negligible quantity if you take, you will not get any profit also. Okay.
Right.
That,
No,
that
for
will not
initially
work out.
for
Correct.
yeah, yeah.
For shorting or intraday, that will not work out. So that is where I will always tell you should have proper quantity and this management. Mm. Then only
Okay.
you can see this profits. I will hide this because this is almost zero, right, for every thing. So I will hide this. Even I will hide this exchange service tax because it is because it picture will be clear. Yeah. Now you can see.
Yes, ma'am, very clear. So, but we don't know which ones are long trades and which ones are short trades, ma'am. That
All are
alone.
short trades only. No long trades here.
IFB Agro was a long trade, ma'am.
No. Okay. Shorting or that one you are asking. I am thinking about intraday or something like. Okay, that we will
Okay.
come to that. This is all on the same day. That is what you can think. Okay.
Got
Shortings
it,
or
ma'am.
Okay.
long trades, we will think. Now we will discuss about this part like shorting. Okay. How to take that trades? Where is the
Ma'am, would you like me to post your link to the short-term trading group, other groups, ma'am? Is it necessary? Let me know. If not, no problem.
No. See, I don't want more people here. That's why I have not posted it there. Because see,
Sure,
the
ma'am.
topic will get diverted. I just want to post this on internet. So yeah,
Got
that is where I was thinking of sticking to topic also. Okay.
super, ma'am. Okay. Please
Yeah.
continue.
So what and all I have done shortings. I will tell you. Somewhere I have copied this. Yeah. So I guess this is all yeah, this one is GRSE. It is 2179 to 2189. Yes. Let me tell you GRSE. On daily chart, if you see, okay, that time this was in full downtrend. See, after this solid this one, this sort of candles will come. Okay, so I was following this on 15 minutes chat. Is this day or this day? I don't remember it. Let us go when we have done it. Uh, this is 17th December, right? So if you go to 17th December, yeah, see this one, the moment you see that 15-minute candle, right? See here or anywhere for
Yes,
that
ma'am.
matter, general, you will know that it is going to be a downward day today, that day. And another thing what you need to know is scope. What is scope? Scope is something which we have to decide based on this NSE. See, first sector should be, there is that index from NSE. Yeah. So the morning when you come, okay, you will know if you say here, if you see this, it will come full. Right. First, you have to see whether it is an up day or down day at 9:30 or 9:45. Then, when you see all that time, it will know which sector is weak or which sector is red. Yesterday, which is 19th December, all turned green. So, I posted in that some of the group that it is not a day for shorting. Okay. That is how you will decide whether it is day for shorting or it is day for long, means intraday.
Okay, ma'am.
And also when you see a strong many of the greens, that day you should decide that you will go for intraday. And if you see
Mm,
many of the reds, you should decide that you will go for shorting. That is one
mm.
technique. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And
Okay.
also, previous day only, you will short out 3-4 stocks for intraday and 3-4 stocks for shorting. Okay. Imagine you
Okay.
have shortlisted 3 stocks for intraday and 3 stocks for shorting. You will keep this you will make it a watch list like this. Okay.
Okay,
Then
ma'am.
what you will do based on this sector, like this sector indication, you will go to that sector and then you will try that stocks which are strong, which has strong chances of going down. down or up. Okay. For example, we will see that yesterday that alcohol brands were like jumping, right? Like if Bargo. One. Then you should go to sector wise. No, 1 minute. Here you can select healthcare. Something was flying, right? Like yesterday. So, yeah. Sector wise, you have to select one. Once I will tell you, like how I got into shorting of this if Bargo. Okay. That if Bargo, if you see it in daily chat. See, from so many days, it is struggling here only. Okay. And it never came almost half of this. Okay. See this? And my mouse has some issue. So you just think that this is half. Correct? Half of it. And there are chances that it may go up or go down. So when you see this monthly, it is like even from 1 month, it is like it is going this way only. There are high chances that it is undecided. Means we can't decide the direction when this is particularly like this. And this may turn into, see here is one doji, this may turn into a green candle at the end of the month or weak candle at red candle at the end of the month. So here we are not able to decide. Go to weekly. Weekly, it is somewhat clear. See, this three downs and it is started moving up. Actually, if it closes above this, right, that is a strong, that may be the, means if this candle is bigger than this, okay, then it is a strong uptrend. But still it is not yet decided. So that time, even we need to see why it is suddenly started this, correct? So there was actually big red candles. Idea is that it should go down. But why suddenly it started this one? Because there may be, one reason is there may be a trigger, and another reason is there may be, like see, this is cup and half the way it has come and it is again started moving up. That may be the reason. See, here cup and it has started exactly this one, and it is like lower, this one it will form, right? Like that it is forming. Then if you see to that stock edge, oh, not this one, and yeah. So stock edge, if you go and you see this, if bar go, back row, right? Okay. There is a trigger. See, from 2 3 days, you have to sort it out with the date, and from 2 3 days, you see that what this strong amid signals, and there is something going on in this sector, means in this stock especially. See, analyst perspective shifts amid strong financial this one. Then sees, if you see that some trigger also is there yesterday. Next market cycle covered call writings and something has changed. Writings and outstanding capital returns, this one. Even if you don't see any of these news also, your candles will tell you in 15 minutes. See, if you see this in 15 minutes yesterday, you can make out that, see, first candle, where you have drawn that line, right? You see everything stood above that line. And this was a signal where, see here, this was still a downtrend. So actually this stock was shortlisted for downtrend, if you see. Correct? If yesterday, if you see this was a reverse bullet. Can you see?
Right.
Yes, ma'am, reverse bullet. Yeah, I was just thinking the same thing. Please
Correct.
continue.
So that's where I will tell, wait for the signals, clear signals on the next day. See, especially when it is at the that line which we draw. Clear? Then
Yes,
15
yes,
minutes.
ma'am.
See, if this is the 15 minutes candle, it is full red. It will misguide you. Correct? Full red and big wick.
Right.
But it is not a confirmation since body is small and wick is big. Body is small and the trend is already at the line, at this line. So what we need to do? We have to wait for another candle. The moment it crosses, try to cross this, means this line on the 15-minute chart, this wick.
So the high of that candle. Okay.
High of that candle. And also see, it many times, this one even touched and it didn't go. Even this one, it touched
Hmm.
and it didn't go. The moment you see
Hmm.
this, correct?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
moment you
Hmm.
see this, the trend is upward, means maybe it will go up. Correct?
So that's the first candle we have to focus, or
For first candle, it will give you a sense. From that time, you have to analyze. If it is a clear trend, you can go ahead. But till here, it is not a clear trend. That's what I'm saying.
okay.
That is where I will
Okay.
say that after seeing the like stockage and trigger or these candles, if you even if you follow the clear candles also, you will know that this is not the maybe down day for this. Correct? Because that lines you have to draw it. Otherwise, you will be in dilemma. See, the line you saw draw, that is where it is clear, right? Otherwise, how you will know that it is that point? See, the line you know draw, then you will know that it is an uptrend, or there are chances that it will reverse from this place. See, already one time it gave, second time, third time, this was a big candle. So there are high chances that it will move up. So you should not take it for granted even if you see this bullet. Got it?
Okay. Got it, ma'am.
Yeah. So now you come here. See, the moment you see this, then by that time some news also came out that this when this candle is forming, right? See, everywhere when the news come out, okay, this such sort of big candles will form. Got it? When something
Okay.
is literally going very fast up, you wait, you don't enter, because imagine that you will think that it is going, so I have to enter, and if you are enter it for here, that day you can't clear it. See, it has not crossed that end.
Okay.
See this.
Super. Ask for me, ma'am.
So
Walking
whenever
every
it
morning.
goes, correct. Whenever it
Yes,
goes
sir.
like that, don't enter. You wait for it to cool down. If you see this is cooling, and
Okay, yes, sir.
it should be near body. Got
Sure,
it?
sure. Definitely.
Now it is making sense.
Okay.
Okay. So it is near the body. So it will, it is trying to move up, and it is not, nowhere it is in a mood to come down. 15-minute shot.
Mm-hmm.
So meanwhile, you will get a doubt what I should do till that time. That we can't stay watching, right? Like, so 12:30, you just cross check with your 5 minutes stock. 5 minutes, it will tell you clearly. See, the moment it went up, it came down. So we can't trust this. We can't trust this till we go here. Correct? So that is where I will enter. And that is what I have posted. Okay, 5 minutes candle, you follow. And even see the volumes, they will say.
Okay. Sure.
It has come up. But it has gone down also. People who has entered here, okay,
Okay.
they have came out looking at this.
Mhm.
Clear?
Right. Sure, sure.
Yeah.
You are
Right.
talking to me, right? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is like the moment people entered here in excitement, they came out here. So most of the time, you just should cross check that 5 minutes also for watching volumes. Then, since I don't know much about this stock, I didn't uh, I didn't think of waiting here. Okay, because I am just into this one, so I came out when based on my the moment I saw that this week I have decided that this one, if you see if you draw this line here in 5 minutes candle. Okay, I have kept the stop loss at 13.8. Okay, it executed at 13.10 because it crossed that line while jumping. But that's okay. But see the next candle, it came exactly to that point.
So from which point you took position, ma'am?
See this point only. 89, I took. See this point. It in the moment
So on the red
this
candle
one.
or green one?
This one
Green.
I took and
Okay.
I entered, exited here. So that is where my trade has, there is that yesterday's trade. If bar go, can you see this? 1289, 1310.
Hmm.
So this is the range where I have taken it.
89.
1289 is here. In 15 minutes candle, if you see, this is the point where I have taken by the time this once it here, and this is the place where I left. In 5 minutes candle, you can see that. Got it?
Mhm. So for bullish position, you'll follow 5 minutes or sometime 15
No,
minutes also.
nothing like that. See, this point, it is, if you see this 20 minutes, right? From so much time, it is between 186 and 189.
Mhm.
So I kept it at 189. That means whenever it crosses, that I wanted that trade.
Okay. But
Okay?
1289, it has just touched, right?
Correct. But we
And
can make
before,
out the movement with even this one, right? See, where is that movement? What is that movement? See, what is that? It is 135, right? 135. Yeah. See, here it is crossing. Minute chart, if you follow. I'm not saying follow minute chart, but just to show you as an example. See, 135. It was like keep on moving and this jump came. So you will make out that moves with 3 minutes, lower time frame, right? You can make out, but don't go for too much lower time frame also because it will be too much stress. Even that 5 minutes is, I feel that it is not required. 15 minutes is fine, but just to cross check that, I will do that. Okay.
okay, okay.
See, if you see this 135, right? Yeah. 135. This one here, this area. So it is not coming below this and it is always moving this area. We can make out that it is in the greens are big, reds are like little, and it is touching and coming again. It is, see, red, this one, it couldn't go below this, and it's again touched this one, fly. So with these 4 candles, you can make out that it is an upward movement. Clear?
But it was touching it for the red candle also, no? So there also we can,
Yeah,
we could,
yeah.
get.
See here, right?
No, before that.
This one. This one.
No, before. Yeah, that one.
Yeah, you can enter anywhere. See the movement, but here there was like, for me, that point it should stretch. See, whenever something is crossing that road or something like that, right? It will struggle there. for some time. If I enter, I have to wait. What will happen to my money? It may cross or not. That mind, right? It will be there.
No,
So,
my question is, ma'am, like that red candle and after that second green candle, you wait for closing it or you'll like
yeah, I will
initially
wait
only
for closing it. See, now
close it?
11:29, right? Exactly at the
Hmm.
end of closing time, I will put that trade. Because sometimes, right,
Okay, okay.
see, it will go just like this.
Mm-hmm. Correct.
Okay. At my price, if it is not crossing almost, I will put the price. See,
Okay, okay.
my point is waiting period can be more. That is fine. But after entering, your stay in that trade should be less.
Mm-hmm. Correct.
Got it? That is what I call happy path. See, this one, it never stopped. Since this crossed this line, it will come back at least little. So I don't want that journey. So I closed my journey here. See, even if I wait, it may go till here, but this journey, I can't take it. Correct. It's very painful. See, the moment you see this red candle and this big red candle, since you